Hello and welcome! Building your enterprise brain is made simpler with AI authoring in Krista. In this video, we'll walk you through all AI features, each one designed to reduce the manual effort of authoring so you can focus on what your brain needs to do, not how to build it. Here's what we'll be covering. AI step generation, enhanced and more powerful than ever. Manage Info AI Assist, derive and enrich data with AI, solve a problem. AI-powered decisions with confidence paths. The Agentic AI step, AI that reasons, plans, and acts. And title, description, and icon generation, auto-named, auto-described, automatically. Let's get started with the AI step generation. It isn't new to Krista Studio, but we've significantly enhanced it, and it remains one of the most powerful ways to start building a conversation. Instead of manually building out each step of a conversation, you describe what you want in plain language, and the AI takes care of the rest. Here we are asking to trigger a flow whenever a new email is received. The AI reads your intent, asks you relevant questions. Once you confirm everything and ask to proceed, it builds out a complete structured conversation step. You can see how AI has picked the right extension and selected the right request. And the best part, you're not locked in. Every step is fully editable, allowing you to make any further changes you need. Let's look at another example of AI step generation. Here we want to add a Manage Information step, where we need to derive a few variables from the mail details entity. We simply describe what we want in plain language. Once the prompt is submitted, notice what happens next. The AI doesn't just generate immediately, it asks you a set of relevant questions. First, it asks about the field types for each variable. Second, it asks what logic should be used to derive those values. It wants those details before it proceeds. And if you're new to Krista Studio and don't know something, like what Krista field types are, use the help chat right here to ask about them. Then come back to this screen and keep going. Once you provide all the relevant information and ask the AI to proceed, the AI generates the step, fully configured and ready to go. And here you can see something else worth noting. This is the Manage Info AI Assist feature. The Manage Info AI Assist is the second important feature we are introducing in this release. Let's take a closer look at it. When you add a Manage Information step and open the AI Assist tab, you'll see a clean panel with three things to fill in: your instructions, your input values, and your outputs. Start by writing your instructions in plain language. Describe what you want the AI to derive or calculate. Then select your input values, the data fields the AI will use to produce the output. In the Outputs section, clicking Create adds a new output row, where you define the instructions and set the output name and type for a brand new field the AI will generate. Clicking Update adds a row for an existing field, so the AI can modify or enrich a value that's already in your conversation. You can drag and drop rows to reorder them as needed. Before going live, use the Verify button to test your prompt with sample inputs and fine-tune the output before it reaches your end users. Now, let's discuss the Solve a Problem model under the Ask Krista AI conversation step. Similar to Manage Info AI Assist, it uses AI to solve problems and generate outputs. But the key difference lies in how each handles the confidence of the AI's predictions. With Solve a Problem, you can define different paths based on the confidence score, giving you full control over what happens next depending on how confident the AI is in its answer. With Manage Info AI Assist, the system automatically throws an error if the confidence score is too low, keeping your data accurate without any additional logic needed. So depending on your use case, whether you need flexible branching or straightforward error handling, you now have the right tool available for the job. Now, let's take you back to the Solve a Problem model configuration. Here, we're asking the model to rearrange emails by priority, and we'll show you how to configure different paths based on the prediction's confidence. First, go to the Configure tab. Here you can set the percentage thresholds for high, moderate, and low confidence. Once that's set, we've added the required steps under each of the three paths, so the conversation responds differently depending on how confident the AI is in its prediction. Next up, one of the most exciting AI feature of the Studio, the Agentic AI conversation step, currently available in preview. Unlike traditional steps where every decision is predefined by an author, the Agentic step lets you simply describe what you want the AI to accomplish, the objective, the rules, and the expected outcome, all in plain language. The AI takes it from there. Here's a real example. We've added an Agentic AI step inside a support agent conversation. In the instructions, we've defined exactly what the agent needs to accomplish as a help desk agent. Please make sure the instructions are clear and descriptive, as they will define the entire work for the Agentic AI step. To accomplish this, the agent has been given some input values and requests, Jira Project Management for creating support tickets, and an AI Q&A extension for answering questions from the knowledge base. The agent decides which tool to use and when, based on what the user is asking. To add the input values and requests, click the plus icon. Now, let's scroll below to the process controller. Authors can configure checkpoints that pause the task for approvals, additional input, or intervention from a person before the flow continues. The step also supports results and data extraction, so any outputs the AI generates, like the ticket ID from Jira or the answer from the knowledge base, can be captured and seamlessly passed into the next steps of your workflow. And finally, execution rules give you guardrails to control AI behavior, setting limits on tool invocations, conversations invoked, and request timeouts, keeping everything within the boundaries you define. This is Krista operating as a true AI agent, reasoning, acting, and delivering results. And since this feature is currently in preview, there's even more to come in upcoming releases. Now, let's take you to the final AI feature, conversation title and description generation, and step title generation. And not only that, you can also generate intuitive icons for your conversation. All of this by just clicking on the Generate with AI icon, present next to each field. Based on your conversation steps and flow, once you click the Generate button, the AI automatically generates the title, description, step titles, and a custom icon that visually represents what your conversation does. No manual naming, no searching for icons. The AI reads your flow and takes care of it all for you. That's a look at the AI capabilities now available inside Krista Studio, all designed to make conversation building faster, smarter, and simpler. And if you'd like to go deeper on any of these features, in-depth training videos are available to Krista customers. And before we go, we are so excited about what's coming next in Krista. Here's a quick look at an upcoming feature, the Conversation Builder. With Conversation Builder, you can create entire conversations by simply explaining your use case in natural language. No steps to configure, no canvas to build. Just describe what you need, and Krista builds it for you. Your enterprise brain built even faster. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. The best is still to come.